Geometric sequence. A geometric sequence is a sequence where each term is multiplied by the same number to get the next term. That number is called the common ratio. And this is the formula for the geometric sequence. N term is represented as an, first term is represented as a1, common ratio represented as r, and term number is represented as n. To get the common ratio, we will just divide the current term and previous term. And this is the formula for the geometric sequence. As we can see here, we have two examples of geometric sequence. The first one is 2, 14, 98, and 686, and so on. We need to find the fifth term. So to find the fifth term of this geometric sequence, we're gonna substitute the formula for the geometric sequence. So since this is the formula, an equals a1 times r to the power of n minus 1. So the a1 is gonna be 2 since it is the first value. And then their common ratio is 7 since 14 divided by 2 is 7. So an equals 2 times 7 to the power of n minus 1. Since we're gonna find the fifth term, so it's gonna be like a5 equals 2 times 7 to the power of 5 minus 1. Then a5 equals 2 times 7 to the power of 4. Since 7 to the power of 4 is 2401. So a5 equals 2 times 2401, then it's gonna be 4802. So the fifth term is 4802. So that is for the first geometric sequence. So we're gonna move on to the second geometric sequence, which is 1, 5, 21, 125, and 625, and so on. So we're gonna find the fifth term of this sequence. So we're gonna do it again. So substitute the formula for the geometric sequence. So an equals a1 times r to the power of n minus 1. So the first value is 1 and their common ratio is 5. Since 5 divided by 1 is 5. So an equals 1 times 5 to the power of n minus 1. Since you're gonna find the fifth term, it's gonna be like this. a5 equals 1 times 5 to the power of 5 minus 1. Then a5 equals 1 times 5 to the power of 4. Since 5 to the power of 4 is 625, so a5 equals 1 times 625. So the fifth term is 625. So that's for the second geometric sequence. So that's all for the geometric sequence. Remember, this is the formula for the geometric sequence. an and a1 times r to the power of n minus 1.
Arithmetic sequence. An arithmetic sequence is a sequence of numbers such that the difference between each consecutive term is a constant.